This video will show you how to buy million token on the Harmony network with Sushiswap. Under your web browser search bar type app sushiswap.com. Click on Connect to a wallet. Click on MetaMask. Enter your MetaMask password, then click on Unlock. Verify that you are connected to the Harmony Mainnet. Click on Harmony. Click on Switch Network. Open the menu. Under Slippage Tolerance type 0.1. Click on Select a token. Under Search Name or Paste Address type million. Click on Under 1 type the amount of Harmony you want to swap for million token. You are ready to buy million token.